We are back, and of course, it's the man with the golden voice, the man who bid off him voice a man in time and shine it before him come out of the house. Good morning, Romain.
Morning.
And of course, good morning to the unit band, who has just so wonderfully backed up this morning. They're amazing, man.
I tell you, it's like,
It's
the world's greatest.
Yeah?
Yeah,
We're not great? Like I say, we're not sure about that one here, but everybody So tell me what's going on with you, Romain. I mean, you've been around from 2007.
Yeah, a long time.
Wow.
But we are working. This year we release a few new songs that we're promoting now. Progress. That we did earlier. A song that we're about to do called Melanin. We just did a music video for it.
Like that one day.
Say that one day. But it's a song that especially. Black women, they're loving this song. And we're just on the road, it's Mother's Day weekend coming up, so
heavy work.
Yeah, we're going to Belize. We have Trelawney, 876 Beach House. We have a show there this weekend as well. So we're just on the road. We're just performing and just enjoying the music.
It's work time.
Our work time.
But work for you is so much fun.
I tell you, this morning, getting up this morning, never easy, but I guess, Liverpool win yesterday.
Oh!
You have it on a high right now, so.
Liverpool girl, don't say you're not got
negative.
We can't celebrate with you.
Yeah, so we celebrate from that.
Big ups to you.
Yeah, man,
so, what has changed from then till now? We met you as a youngster, and now you're a big man, married and everything.
I tell you.
What's new? What has changed then to now with the music and with you personally?
I mean, back then, I used to do a lot of, covers. I used to, it was from Rising Stars, but, since then I think I've developed in becoming an artist, somebody who has something to say, as a message, and, it's manifesting, in everywhere. I see growth, in my performances, in the music that come out as well, and I feel like I grow over the years too, not just body-wise.
You're growing like a bit thinner.
But spiritually, and as I say, in what we're doing, the direction, my aim, my goal, where I'm going in music, I think I've grown. I showed some growth there, so I just continue to push forward, I believe in what I do. The fans and the people who continue to support from day one, they seem to understand where we're going, and they're working with it as well, so.
Well, I don't think we have to work with it. I think we're just enjoying it. You have grown and you continue to grow, and I think your voice is just getting better and better as the days go by. So, last but not least, before I run off of the stage, I have to ask, wife wake up with you this morning? Or she said
she probably wake up now.
Good morning, wifey! How are you? He's going to take us to the break, and he's going to sing to wifey and the rest of us too about our melanin.
Yeah.
Don't you know that black don't crack? There's no need to be ashamed of your skin. They won't tell you, but it's a fact. You got class, let it last, keep it genuine. You must have got me in a trap. 'Cause every time I keep coming back, 'cause they don't got a thing on you, and they can glow just like you do. And I want the whole wide world to see you are beautiful to me. I love my chocolate skin. You are royal, you are queen. Don't you chase that beauty within. Lift your head up and lift it with pride. You don't have to worry, I'm always here by your side. I know you got me in a trap. 'Cause every time I keep coming back, 'cause they don't got